uhamba namakhosi. In the working environment, it is very challenging. It is difficult to take orders because lama khetla, or the spirits that you work with, they feel undermined, especially umuntu makakudelela. So that's why in the working environment, most of them bayakhala bathi no, I don't want to work anymore. Emsebenzini, it's because amadlozi. There was a point mangilela, I could feel man Mkhulu, something is sleeping with me. You know, la phansi you can feel ukuthi man sengimanzi khona manje. And believe you me, isilwane mabakuthumela ngesilwane sizokulala ngamnandi. The 1818 iyangishaya. Mangiphuza 1818 ngiyaphupha. On that night ngiyaphupha. It's like I'm looking at a movie. Ngakutshela ukuthi mkhulu wena bowugcoke i-underwear so. Yabo? Isicona so ngiyaphupha.
Sinibingelele sinamukelo hleleni lethu eCopon TV The Call. Lo bingelelayo uXolani Mfombatha ke uShandu Sontshikazi Umthiya uShoti Matinda Sinqamsodli Madlebana kwaJoze Igcololo umthetho yadakudakela ucathu. Babukeli beCopon TV The Call angihambi ke ngedwa namhlanje ke ngihamba nomkhulu uZ the Healer. Uthena ke omunye othe akafika estudio azosivakashela asilethele ukudla kwendlebe. Niyazi ukuthi isihlala siphethe ezishisayo ezihambisa igazi. Ngizothatha ithuba ukuthi ke umkhulu abingelele aphinda ayichaze ukuthi ungubani qhamukapi umkhulu napha ababukeli bethu beECOPON TV bafisa ukwazi ukuthi ubani lo esinayo namhlanje studio.
Thokozani Chamagu emakhosini bogogo nabo mkhulu. I go by the name of Nozipho on social media. I call myself Mkhulu Z or Z the Healer. I am originally from Brits and I am honored to be here today. Siyabonga.
Due to respect siyabonga siyathokoza sithi emakhosini mkhulu.
Thokoza mkhulu.
Umkhulu kahle ubani kahle ngoba yebo siyakubona mkhulu ukuthi uqhizile ufakile into zakho nebhayi lakho asazi noma isithwalo kodwa uwe ozositshela ukuthi namhlanje ubani wesikhuluma naye kahle ngokuphelele.
Okay. So mina I am a herbalist. Abantu bathi iligedla ngakatsube. Basically iligedla is somebody that does not go phehlweni ayolphuza ayolphalaza. You basically get a mentor and then a mentor uzokufundisa or give you guidance rather based on what your ancestors want. Yes, niligedla, but then I have other spirits that I have as part of my gift. I have like Istunya, I have Amakosi, hence Uwanalele Bailela Makosi, and also because it is my spiritual animal. The leopard is my spiritual animal. So basically, ngisebenza ngewasho, ngisebenza ngemithi, ngiyahlola, ngihlola ka lefatla, ngihlola ka ditaola, and basically that's who and what I am.
Yazi ngisathi ngizobuye kodwa lo mbuzo ngizobuza noma angazi noma ngichazelekile noma nginelisekanga kodwa uthi ngikubuze mhlawumbe uzongizozwa kahle. Njoba mkhulu uyinkunzi nje uyinkunzi okankwa bekuvuma kangaka ukuthi uyashaya uyasebenza umuhle na kangaka nemsebenzi yakho futhi imihle kangaka kahle umsebenzi wokugedla umsebenzi kanjani ukugedla usebenza kanjani?
Okay, so basically, iligedla is a person that dreams of imiti a lot. Most of the things you dream of them before they actually happen. For instance, idlozile ngakufundisa imiti without even giving you the name. So mhlambe namhlanje ngiphupha something, mhlambe umkhanya kude. Few days later, you're walking around in town, you bump into that tree. Then you actually realize, no, I actually saw this in my dreams. Iligedla is a person that can also, like uyahlola even though you don't have bones. Umuntu angafika umtshele uthi okay mkhulu inyawo lami libuhlungu, and then I can just say okay hlala lana ngiyabuya, I'm going to mix 1 2 3. Amanye amagedla, especially from back then, most of them they don't have indumba. Khona manje times have changed. Obviously mawuligedla you have other spirits with you. You cannot reject the other spirits that you have because they are part of gift yakho. For instance, mina ngaqala ngesithunya because I didn't know indaba yobugedla. And I thought I only have Istunya along the way. After Istunya, kwavuka amanye amadlozi ngaqala ngiyaphupha imithi. Some things I don't understand. Sometimes they are showing you like ulapha umuntu enyaweni, and then they showing you certain herbs, but then you don't have somebody that is actually guiding you. So therefore uyalahleka khona lapho. So that's where a mentor comes in, ukuthi akuncede akuguide along the way. Iligedla mhlambe lifuna ukuya entabeni liyothola imithi, you don't know everything. That's where a mentor comes in, uyakufundisa. So kahle kahle as iligedla, you are born with this gift. You don't have to go ephehlweni uyohlala khona uyogida uyogcoka uniform. That's why we can be 4 different types of amagedla. When you can specialize in imithi iwasho, somebody else can be iligedla that helps scientists come up with imithi, like the people that came up with eucalyptus oil. It's actually amagedla. So iligedla kahle kahle is good ngemithi. Hey, iligedla can heal, iligedla can also kill. It depends when isikhwama sakho sifuna ini. Kahle kahle. So mina ngiyalapha ngamanzi ngewasho, because obviously ngihamba namandawo as well. So umuntu wami is using both imithi, both iwasho. So basically that is that. Iligedla ali ephehlweni liyohlala khona, livuke kabu-3 lithi likhwaza idlozi. Ephehlweni ziyabuya mkhulu. I once went ephehlweni. I was not supposed to go there, but then along the way, indaba yami yobugedla, I eventually got into the right path. Yes, mkhulu.
Ijima play way uthatha blend.
This thing iphuma ekhaya from my maternal side. Back then, I'm not really sure how many generations back, but Bogneligedla, and she was a female. Lo mama lo, she used to specialize a lot in imithi. So mangkhula, I used to like manghamba ehlane somewhere, I would be so interested. Mangibona something, like it would draw my attention. But I could not understand, because obviously usakula, this gift hasn't really shown itself fully on top of you. And then ngiyaphupha ngibona izinto. Sometimes I think about you, and then jigi uyangifonela, or I bump into you. Sometimes uyaphupha, that thing happens, and you're like, no, kahle kahle, that thing ngibonile before it actually happened. Yabo? So kabu mama iligedla belikhona. And the very same person, she was umamsebeletsi, ukulapha ngemanzi. I don't know, I think she stopped being umamsebeletsi and only focused on ubugedla, because also the spirits take time to reveal themselves. Mhlambe amadlozi bebabona ukuthi she's too focused on the church side, and then iligedla also wanted to heal ngemithi. So my grandmother's generation, nobody took the calling. My mother, she didn't take the calling. And then kufika khona ziyakhala mkhulu. Ziyakhala, uyaqala uyagula. Emsebenzini uyagula. Mawusekhaya right. Mawuya emsebenzini, you are fighting with people. You are fighting with managers, especially if uhamba namakhosi. In the working environment, it is very challenging. It is difficult to take orders, because lama khetla, or the spirits that you work with, they feel undermined, especially umuntu makakudelela. So that's why in the working environment, most of them bayakhala bathi no, I don't want to work anymore in sebenzini. It's because amadlozi, that gift hasn't find a proper place in you, especially if you are running away, because mina bengayifuni lento le. Vele mangibona abantu with amabhayi out cross to the other side of the road, because in my mind, I used to think, hey, these people bayathakatha. Even if I go into a shop, ngiyababona lapho, I would distance myself. So kahle kahle, I was scared of something that I am, because this thing is in your DNA. Even if you relocate wena ufuna ukuya overseas, izokulandela. And izokulandela when you are out with friends, you are out in the clubs, usemjoleng. I used to be a groovist. Bengruva mkhulu, and at the groove, I would just see weird things. It's like umuntu uyambona, but this person is now changing. Jigi, you see that person, it's like they are wearing spiritual clothes. So idlozi liyakhomba ukuthi no, anikufuni lapho. Unenkani, but then eventually you're gonna stop going to groove. So along the way, that journey of being a groovist, phela kanjalo. Today, if you tell me, let's go to a club, I'll tell you, me, club, not me, I'm not about the life. So once you accept the calling, once you accept the gift, you'll end up loving it. If you love your calling, it will grow you, it will turn you into something beautiful. Yes, mkhulu.
So manje usekhona umuntu oqondile empilweni yakho uba wasendlini straight noma usacinga usaqalaza?
Ngisazama mkhulu.
Hey.
Ngisazama. Sisabamba amatoho here and there.
Oh mkhulu sashaya ama-piece job.
Sisashaya ama-piece job and the problem is that mawuhamba namakhehla, you are a problem in a relationship. Amadoda bagcina bathi, hey wena you like controlling, you are bossy, you are stubborn, you want things your way. It's because lamakhehla, they don't want to be controlled by another man. So once ihlozi lihlala kahle wenza umsebenzi wedlozi uyabatshela ukuthi awogogo nabo mkhulu sengenza umsebenzi wamadlozi nami ngifuna nyana ucolane sikhona ukuhamba siyodla nyana i-ice cream siyogcoka ama-costume siye eDurban impilo ibe kahle, because at the end of the day idlozi nalo beliphila guys. We cannot say idlozi never lived. Idlozi beliphila, idlozi belijola. Idlozi, those people back then, they got kids at a young age. So everything about them, they lived. So hence I always say we should never neglect our own lives in the process of being spiritually gifted, in the process of being healers. Enjoy your gift, enjoy your journey, live and speak with your ancestors, go out, have fun. Because if you're only going to focus on idlozi, you're going to end up feeling crazy. You're going to feel like it's depressing. Uzogcina ushaya ibhodlolo. There was a point bengiphuza almost every day. Anything. Wine, ciders, beers, because I felt like this thing is too heavy. This thing is depressing. Because also I didn't have proper guidance. I didn't have support from ekhaya. It's very rare that uzothola support from ekhaya. Abazali abayifuni le nto le. Because remember, you are a generational curse breaker. Ekhaya, if people never got married by the age of 25, you are the one that's going to break those curses. If abantu never got to live past the age of 40 years, you are going to break those curses. And if you find that you are the only healer in your family, I'm the second healer in my generation. So it's tough. They're going to put all the weight on you, mkhulu. So kuba nzima, but you also feel proud that, you know what, idlozi likhethe mina. So I'm somebody that is very important. As much as sometimes, wana ngathi ungayilahla lento le, thatha amabhayi ushise yonke into, but you can't run away, because mawuzoyisabela, it will go to your children. There are people whose children bayagula bagcina baya esibhedlele, abo-doctor bathi hey amafitsi ayikho indaba yamafitsi. It's not a medical problem, it is a traditional problem. It is a closely related problem, and idlozi malukufuna mkhulu, it's got no mercy on you. It's got no mercy on you.
Cha yazi mkhulu uyasebenza ngempela uyalapha futhi uyasebenza wakho ngathi uphiwe impela babhanza awuphoqe. Yazi ngibona ngokuthi ngithi ngisazokubuza umbuzo vele ngathi uyangibona ukuthi ngicabanga ukubuzana bese uvele uphendule le nto le. Ngiqedela imibuzo kahle kahle. So athi kusase ngibuza lo ungazungiphendule ungakakubuzi. Umkhulu uyahlola.
Yebo.
Uyakhona ukuhlola online noma uhlola face to face kuphela?
Ngiyahlola online, ngiyahlola face to face as well. I do them both.
Usebenzisana ngokuhlola kwakho?
Ngisebenzisa iBhayibheli, ngisebenzisa amathambo, because I have umundawu bekafuna isikhwama sakhe. So obviously for that a mentor you need to get a mentor who has umundawu akufundise certain things that umundawu wakho wants. Mina umundawu wami is from Mozambique, because from Cabo Mama, they are originally, I think her late father is originally from Mozambique. So they came this side in terms of employment, ukusebenza nani. So obviously umundawu now. Hence most people, they would say iligedla doesn't have bones. Iligedla only uses amadaisi. Iligedla uses dominoes. Amagedla, they are not the same. What my ancestors want would be different from you, mkhulu. Mhlambe wena idlozi lakho only wants 4 dominoes, wena uhlola ngama-domino. Kahle kahle, even if you have isithunya, everything izophuma la. Itlotswa mo lefatlheng. So you'll not only rely on the bones. Ungafika umuntu mkhulu lana azohlola, even without the bones. Ungamtshela indaba ukuthi wena kahle kahle uhamba nesithunya kahle kahle umkhulu ufuna 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I use the bones and I also use lefatla. Sorry. So basically, you connect with both of them based on how your ancestors want to work. So iligedla is not a one size fits all. Amagedla kahle kahle, there are also people that are from ebukhosini. They've got blood lineage from ebukhosini. Most of them, they will connect with people bokuphuma ebukhosini. They are people of ruling. They are people of leadership. Most of them, they are born to lead. They are born to have their own businesses, self-employment. Emsebenzini, if you are sebenza and you are still taking instructions, it becomes difficult because when amakhosi, they want you to lead. So it becomes difficult to listen in the working environment. It's challenging. It's challenging. Cool.
Amakhehla afuna ukuthi wena ulawule
Yeah.
wenze into oyithandayo ngesikhathi osithandayo.
And obviously, because it's not your mother or your father's company, fanele umamele mkhulu. Fanele umamele up until to a point la wena unamandla ukuthi, okay, I can start my own business. I can have my muti shop, my herbal spa. Kahle kahle, even the business that you start, it will be related to umsebenzi wakho wehlozi.
Yeah.
It's very rare ngathi ngizovula i-bottle store ihlozi lizobona ukuthi no abantu bazoyenza umsindo bazongihlupha bazongilawula in a bad way. So ihlozi will always align you based to umsebenzi lo ihlozi lukufunayo from you.
Nendoda leyakukhethela awumane nje uyithathele uyikhethela.
Ihlozi lakukhethela mkhulu, but I feel you can speak to your guides ubatshele, make them see reason, because if wena ungamamela everything that your ancestors want, ancestors are demanding. Once you start buying umnazarata, esinye isithunya siyaphuma, needs you to go to Durban, jigi bafuna isonto. That time you're thinking, I'm still young. You know, like me, I still have a calling to be a bishop in future, but I still want to grow in regards to the journey. I still want to grow in regards to leading abantu, because I'm cool. It's not pap and flays. Uguti nyalala kusasa nyovula isonto. It is demanding. It's a lot of commitment already on its own. Being a healer, it's a lot of commitments. It is a lot of commitments.
Kanti uyasonda nomkhulu yana.
Uyasonta ngisho nginesithunya.
Okay.
So isithunya, it is my leading spirit along with ubugedla. So that's why ngithi ngaqala ngisithunya. With other people it might be different, you know. That's why ngithi ihlozi, it's not a umsebenzi wehlozi. It's not a one size fits all. It is not a copy and paste. That's why ngithi along the way ngayenza amaphutho, I ended up ngisephehlweni, ngihlala lapho, and things did not go well for me mkhulu. Things went from bad to worse because lo mama lo, she could not pick up that miligedla. Instead, she told me ukuthi fanele ngithwase umunguni. Ngapakisha izinto zami ngayohlala khona mkhulu, and it was not nice there. That's why ngithi I respect abantu who actually go bahamba bayoliphuza baliphalaze. It is not nice ukuyekela impilo yakho ekhaya, abantwana bakho, uyothwasa, uyohlala emzini abantu, you get to wake up at 3, fanele ukwazi ihlozi, bakushayela isigubhu. So when all those things had to happen to me, it was not working out. Mabashaya isigubhu, inyawo zami, it was locking, bengakhona ukugida. Mangidla ibhudlu, I would get even sick. Yes, ibhudlu vele liyaklina ngaphakathi, but then bokuhlangahlangene mkhulu, lo mama lo besihamba, I think every second day siya ehlani for imithi, but also they don't have igiza lapho, so besilanda iwood every day yokuthi senze umlilo. I had to kuyenza lo mlilo lo. Hey, lo mama lo, I was not treated well. You know, she gave me so many traumas. She left me with a lot of anger. I came back in Pula. I went from bad to worse because I was not supposed to ukuya lapho ephehlweni. So every day mangilala ebusuku, like something kept on saying kahle kahle uyenzani la uyenzani, but I could not get the confirmation that I needed to get ukuthi la fanele ngihambe. Ebusuku mangilala on top of the house, man. It's like something, it's jumping. Next minute it's quiet. Abantu balele. I'm like, oh, this thing ifuna mina, or it's like my ancestors, they are revealing themselves. Jigi one day something ngathi yandonza la mkhulu emabeleni, and yabona that one was just a red flag for me. Ngabona ukuthi la kunenkinga. So one day I decided to call my cousin who is a healer. Ngamchazela ngathi yo mtase I've got a problem ngisephehlweni 1 2 3 athi mina bengisaba ukutshela ukuthi you are not going to get assistance there. So fanele uhambe, and the minute utshela ugobela ukuthi uyahamba, make sure you have packed your things, awukoloti ugobela, you've organized transport. So I did exactly that night. Ngapakisha izinto zami, I didn't tell her. Ekseni mangivuka, I didn't go ukuyokhwaza idlozi. I didn't go ukuyodla ibhudlu. Ngahlala ngaphandle. So I think she could sense ukuthi kahle kahle mara la kunenkinga. Wangibulisa, thokoza gogo, thokoza baba, unjani ngiyaphila. What's going on? Ngamtshela ngathi yo mina bengisacela ungiphahlele, ngicela ukuhamba kiye ekhaya. Athi no, why I need to know? Because my mother was from an operation. And in regards to that operation, she was not even supposed to go.
Yes.
Indaba yamadlozi. Umuntu awomhlupha, and then obviously when you go to doctors, they're gonna feel like it is a medical problem. It was a closely related problem. So lo mama lo wathi no mina ngeke ngikuphahlele, if wena ufuna ukuhamba hamba uye eLiganzelweni uphahle uchithele ibhudlu and then uhambe. Ngathi okay lo thuku umodimo hatlhoho, what's going to happen? She's like, you can wash it yourself. Wanjikela nje wanginikeza i-attitude. But ngahamba mkhulu, and me living there, it was not nice. I suffered a lot of spiritual attacks from lo mama lo. Till this day, I still get a lot of spiritual attacks. Ngisamphupa emaphupheni umtshela ukuthi nobody can help you ngempilo yakho. Sometimes ngimphupha abamba isibhamu. Obviously we know that is a person ukila ngemithi. So along this journey, if you make the wrong, I really can't say wrong choices or decisions, if awuna support mkhulu, you are stranded, you are depressed, uzogcina uya ephehlweni, uhlala ephehlweni when you are not supposed to go there. At least I didn't get to the stage yokuphuza intwaso ngiphuze ngiliphalaze. I managed ukuhamba before, but me coming back from there ngagula mkhulu. I was heavily sick. My feet were painful. Umzimba wami, it felt like I'm fatigued. It felt like I'm weak. Kanti that was my ancestors revealing to me that you were not supposed to go there. Phela idlozi lingakubheka so uhambe uye somewhere kanti you're not supposed to go there. Lukushaye ngesicitho. Ugule mawulapho, mawuthi uyenza so akuyenzakali. So me going there, I was not supposed to go there. Lo mama lo till today, I think usakwatela indaba yemali. I don't know mhlambe was I supposed to give her yonke imali because angicedanga lapho. Ngagcina ngihambile, so she still has that grudge, because even people that know lo mama lo uhlezi abatshela ukuthi lo bekalana umphathe kahle wahamba, and that is not the truth mkhulu. That is not the truth. I faced hardships there. Even before ngicala ngesithunya, I think in 2022, bokunomunye ubaba, yo, lo baba lo bengena amabhavu khona lapho, and bekamfaka amabhavu naked. Mangimbuza athi no mina ngihamba nabo gogo, so this is normal for me. It's not like ngibhekile, but obviously as a woman you're going to feel comfortable.
Yes.
You're going to feel comfortable. You're going to end up having to feel comfortable into saying mkhulu. And then bengifuna ukwenza izinto zami khona lapho. But lo baba lo had a lot of red flags. This one day, ungitshela ukuthi amadlozi bathi mina this weekend I should not go anywhere. Phela that weekend mina I had plans to go to church, Epostoli. He's like, you're not even supposed to ungena Epostoli wena tonto otsene kereke ya Siphiri. I'm like, but I don't have any history of kereke ya Siphiri. Athi no, ayisho lesonto le izocala ngawe. Ngathi no, I can't. On another day, he's telling me ukuthi mawuceda lana uceda ukwenza izinto zamadlozi, you are not allowed to do your hair anymore. Uzohlezi ugcoka iduku white. Ngithi mina I'm still young, still in my 30s. I cannot wear a white head wrap. Idlozi still wants us to live. Kunempilo outside of idlozi. Kunempilo outside of being a healer. That on its own was a red flag. One of the major red flags was on a certain occasion where I started distancing myself. Remember at that time, being doing certain things. But like there was always something to do, man. This one day, ebusuku mkhulu, I remember I was still dating this other guy who was a healer naye. Wangithumela imlayezo 2 a.m.
Yeah.
Athi thokoza gogo, ugogo wakho bekalana. Mind you, we are talking about ugogo that is no more alive. Ugogo bekalana angitshela ukuthi you should be careful, you are getting lost, you're gonna make mistakes. So then I asked him ngithi, so ugogo ufika lapho, why ugogo angatsheli mina? Because she's my granny.
Yes.
The better person to communicate with, it is me. He's like, no, ugogo ukwatile athi wena uzolahleka kanti lo baba lo kahle kahle uyangicheck uyangihlola ukuthi no lo she's planning to go to another person because bekayazi ukuthi vele ngifuna ukwenza izinto zami zamadlozi athi yena ufuna 20,000 cash.
Oh.
There is no way ungaqala at a person and have all the money. Already mawufika lapho, you already have financial problems.
Yes.
Because idlozi is creating challenges for you, problems for you in order to get your attention. Ngabona ukuthi la the best thing, I am not going there anymore. That's when I went ngayoyenza isithunya ngaqeda mangibuya from lentawu lebengenza isithunya eSoweto because I'd only go on weekends because anyway isithunya awusithwaseli.
Yeah.
Siyaphakamisa. Rasephahamisa fela so that if there's certain ancestors you need to klambulula, they do that, they connect you, they teach you your chakras and so forth, right? They teach you the Bible and but other people bayahlola even without the Bible mkhulu.
Yeah.
Different strokes for people. So mangibuya lapho, he kept calling, reaching out. Gogo abahirela sithunya sa hao hantle, ho sa shota amabhavo, ho shota dichiso, nani. And I'm like, I'm sorted. Naye, he was one of the healers that said to me, you will not succeed in your journey. Mina ngiphethe impilo yakho esandleni sami, so uzohlupheka, you will not grow. I remember there was a point I started dreaming of Lobabalo. And mangimphupha mkhulu, we are in a room.
Yeah.
Ungifaka ibhavu. I'm naked in the dream. Makangifaka ibhavu, he's like, I have to switch off the light. So ngithi fanele ucime light, why? He's like, no, relax. And then magacime light in the dream, I feel scared. Mangivuka, my heart is beating. And that dream kept on coming and coming. So the guy that I was still dating naye wangitshela ukuthi mara I think lo baba lo was busy doing things too because nami angimphuphi kahle. So making the wrong going to the wrong places can lead you with a lot of problems. Those healers, the minute you tell them I can't come to you anymore mkhulu, don't think it ends there. When they already have plans for imali. That's why these days abantu, they don't have faith and hope in African spirituality, in people that are healers, because people have ruined igama lamadlozi. People are now making it a business. Things are now a fashion. Things that we didn't know of, they are now in the public eye. Hence people, they say that no, we now know everything. It's like even if they already know, oh, there's this, there's that, there's this, there's that.
Yeah.
So going to the wrong places, mkhulu, it left me with a lot of trauma, because even if you are to find the next right mentor that is supposed to have you, you've got those inner traumas inside of you. You are not free. You do not have faith in Iflozi anymore because we are upupagabi. Sometimes maulele, there was a point manglele, I could feel mankulu, something is sleeping with me. La pants, you can feel ukuthi man sengimanzi khona manje. And believe you me, isilwane mabakuthumela ngesilwane sizokulala ngamnandi. Isilwane, it will do the right things. Mkhulu, isilwane, it knows the right places, it knows the corners. Now maulelo uzofila ngathi this thing, I'm having it in real lifetime. So it becomes challenging, because once a healer sends you with their things, you must know uyalwa nawe. Then you must also be prepared uhambe ngenyawo sukume go get the relevant assistance ukhona ukuba right, because there are people that say mina ngizokuvala ehlozini. I don't believe that is true. Ihlozi mabakufala ihlozi lona lithini mkhulu? Is it just sitting and relaxing? So I think sometimes we end up going to these places because we are meant to grow in the journey. We are meant to have experiences so that we can also pass down the experiences to other people, because the journey is not easy. It's got potholes, it's got humps, it's got moments where you feel like, I'm not gifted. Kahle kahle, it is a mistake. I've doubted myself so many times. But then once ukhula ehlozini, once you get the right mentor, ihlozi liqala likhulume, likhombise into, you are now at ease with your gift. You are now at peace.
Yeah.
Yes, mkhulu.
Imithi ogaranta ngayo mkhulu ukuthi uyayisebenzisa noma mhlawumbe izifo oyilaphayo mhlawumbe ungasibalela eziwu 3 4 5 6.
Unfortunately, mkhulu, mina when it comes to imithi, I don't speak about imithi that I use entumbeni yami. The reason for that, ngafundisa ukuthi le mithi le uyisebenzisa entumbeni yakho, if you are to reveal it in the public eye, mabafuna ukukushaya or mabafuna ukukugila, they already know when you specialize in this. So mhlambe, let's say you specialize in vugabafileyo, it's a common one, uyabafutisa bayagabha bayenzani, they already know ukuthi okay entumbeni yakhe singamshaya ngevugabafileyo. Kahle kahle imithi, as long as you instructed to say go do bad certain times at a certain period, there's certain ways you do rituals, it will do exactly that. Imithi yokulapha ngathatha umkhanya kude lo wokukhanyisa wokuvula inhlanhla wokuvula izinto ngigile ngawo, depending on what other things I mixed, bones, animal skins, different things, amafutha. So unfortunately with me mkhulu, I do not reveal the herbs that I use entumbeni because I feel it's certain practices about my gift that I would still like to protect.
Yes.
Yes, mkhulu.
So kodwa izifo okwazi ukuyilapha mhlawumbe ungasibalela zona.
Okay.
Ngoba lokho ngushiso ukuthi mkhulu kubantu abakubukayo abakwaziyo nabangakwazi, kodwa kufanele beqonde ukuthi umkhulu ulapha ini nani uze onalo yonke ngaleyo akwazi ukuthi akulandele, noma umuntu owazi umuntu onalo yonke amhlebele ukuthi hayi kunomkhulu so okwakhuluma ngayo lenkinga engakusiza.
Makhosi mkhulu. Okay, so most people that come to me are people that have problems zenyawo. Normally their feet ziyashisa, they cannot walk properly. In most cases, masihlola, it is caused by umsebenzi wehlozi. That person is spiritually gifted, akafuna ukuthatha umsebenzi wehlozi. Sometimes a person once went to an operation, akaphuzanga imbiza so that the operation can fully heal. So it's people that have problems genyawo. I deal with people that have had miscarriages and abortions. They never got cleansed, azange bahambe bayolalisa umntwana bamnikeza igama, because a child that was aborted or it was a miscarriage, if you don't go uyoyenzela umntwana iladi, it can lead to blockages in your life mkhulu.
Yes.
Jiki izinto zakho azihambi kahle, mawubamba imali ayihlali, you still want to have children in future, you can't. So it is very important lo mntwana lo uhambe uyoconnecta naye so that you can also get emotional closure. Lo mntwana akhona ukuhamba ayolala ayoba ilinono lelihle. I also deal with people that have emotional traumas. Most people that come, it's either they grew up with or without a mother or a father. So lapho mkhulu, we don't even use imithi. That's where spiritual counseling comes in. As a healer, you are not just a healer ngemithi ngewasho. Sometimes umuntu uyafika fanele uhlale naye phansi ukhulume naye, because it is very important to also heal the inner child. How will you heal other people if when you are not healed inside? Nami ngakhula without a father, it left me with a lot of anger. Mangibona abanye abantwana with fathers, it would make me angry. So I also deal with people that come with emotional traumas. 90% of the people that come, they are spiritually gifted, they are not aware.
Yes.
So I'm the one that makes them realize ukuthi wena unesiphiwe, uhamba namagedla, unesithunya, uhamba namandawu. Your real lineage is from ebukhosini. Akufanele sihambe siyohlambulula lamadlozi so that idlozi likhona ukuhamba likhulume nawe directly. So I also deal a lot with ukuhlambulula abantu banedlozi. Basically, idlozi will send you people that are related to the things that you also experienced in this journey. Because nami ngagula from inyawo mkhulu. There was a point emsebenzini I couldn't wear heels anymore. I felt like inyawo zami ziyashisa. I would go to different doctors. The doctors, they don't find anything wrong. And I remember one Indian doctor, wangibuza ukuthi mara emsebenzini, is it toxic or what exactly? Because you are always here every second you got the month. Ngimtshela ngithi no, ngiyagula. My spinal was also very painful ngalesikhathi lesi. So mawuhamba nedlozi, you will go through different types of problems. Some of them you can't even explain them. Even if ngakutshela ngithi hayi mkhulu ngine-pain la, uthi hayi njani wena everyday uhlezi ukhala nge-pain. It's because bafuna uhambe uyothatha umsebenzi uyolapha abanye abantu. In the process of you ulapha abanye abantu, you are also healing your generation. You are also healing ancestors that passed away with certain problems. My mother's late mother, naye inyawo bezimhlupha mkhulu. Bekahlezi agula. The biggest problem was intaba yenyawo. So already you can imagine she ran away from her gift. Umama wami naye intaba yenyawo yamhlupha. It came over to me. So me accepting my gift and my calling, I'm also healing those certain problems so that it shouldn't come again in the family. Hence, but you are a reincarnation. Everything ngawe iqala phansi. And in the process of that, healing is the first thing that takes place.
Unkulu unaso isigodlo noma mhlambe mayenaso singakuphi?
Isigodlo sikhona siseBretse in the northwest, just out of Pretoria. I think it's a 35 minutes drive, depending how you drive, but basically siseBretse.
Unkulu kahle kahle ngoke location yakho sePitoli?
Yes, just out of Pretoria. Brits is outside Pretoria. Mawundlula eHarties. From Harties, I think it's like 15 minutes. Yeah, so basically.
So amathwasu nawo noma mhlambe?
Not yet. Unfortunately, I have the gift of also being a mentor to other people. But there is also another department, Mkhulu. There is something that Idlozi also wants in me. Unfortunately, I can't run away, right?
Yeah.
Bazokuthumela abantu, omunye umuntu uzofika makahlola akutshela ukuthi ngiyakuphupha ungenzela 1 2 3. You can hear ukuthi no, hey kahle kahle lo fanele ngimncede 1 2 3 ngendaba zakhe zobugedla, ngendaba zesithunya, so I have to be a mentor. Kahle kahle khona manje I've only been doing mentorship online or face to face. But then, for me to actually start, I need to take the first 2 to the mentor that wanceda so that akhona ukumfundisa.
Yes.
You being a healer doesn't mean that you know everything. I need to vele umsebenzi wedlozi kuhamba nama stages. It's like ukhulisa umntwana. It's a newborn, they're an infant, they're moving to the stage. So mawukhula over time, gradually, idlozi puts on more responsibility on you. So unfortunately, yes, I have the gift of being a teacher. I have the gift of being a mentor. Mhlambe it will happen this year, mhlambe next year, we don't know. Sizobona ngedlozi, but I'm not in a rush to ukufundisa abanye abantu and so forth. Nami ngisakhula edlozini. I'm still enjoying the spaces of healing, the spaces of healing other people, different scenarios and different problems that people have.
Yazi nginokubona mkhulu izinyanga eziningi noma mhlawumbe zamuko eziningi ziyabuhlaba ngempela. Angazi wena mkhulu uyabuhlaba. Uyabuhlaba uyabudedela.
Mkhulu, I don't know uyangihlola or uyenzani. Yes, mkhulu, obviously ngiyaphuza. I don't drink the hot stuff. Ngiphuza ama-cider, Gordons here and there, 1818 iyangishaya. Mangiphuza 1818 ngiyaphupha. On that night ngiyaphupha. It's like I'm looking at a movie. Ngakutshela ukuthi mkhulu wena bowugcoke underwear so. Yabo?
Ngiyazi.
Isiqona so ngiyaphupha.
Yeah.
But obviously you cannot always rely on alcohol ukuthi wena idlozi lisebenze. But in regards to phuza, yes mkhulu ngiyaphuza. I don't have a problem with alcohol. I do not plan on leaving alcohol because angihluphi umuntu mangiphuzile. I am still who and what I need to be. Amanye amadlozi, they never drank alcohol. You find instances where umuntu uhlezi aphuza every day mkhulu mawufika esigodleni sakho kune-black label, kune-Gordon's, we don't know, mhlambe ihlozi lakhe belisebenza in that way, but I've been told that people who have alcohol entumbeni, they have certain ithwalo nani. We can never know because I don't have them, so angeke advocate a lot in that topic. But yes, mkhulu ngiyaphuza, I don't have a problem with alcohol, but angeke ufike entumbeni yami ngithole ngiphuza lapho during a consultation. I respect isiphiwo sami, I respect ihlozi lami, I respect other people's ancestors. For me to communicate and find out what is the problem, what is it that they want, I cannot do that ngiphuzile mkhulu. Fanele ngihloniphe leli dlozi likhona ukubona ukuthi no, this person is a respectful person. In future we can send umntwana wethu arefere sibani bani mawenza umsebenzi wedlozi kahle.
Yeah.
Believe you me mkhulu, they will refer you. Nawe uzobona ngama results even if abantu bangakutshela ukuthi you are a good healer.
Yeah.
I believe that every ancestor is powerful in its own way. Mhlambe wena mkhulu ungaspecialize ngemkhovu, mina I might specialize in ukhipha imkhovu. It's two different things. So I cannot say I'm way powerful than you because mina ngiyayikhipha lemkhovu. We are all gifted in different ways. Every ancestor has its own specialty. If they want you to specialize in ngabantwana, you will do that. If bafuna wena uspecialize ngokuthwalisa, you will do that. So we cannot do a copy and paste. The problem icala la mina ngifuna ukopa wena. Mhlambe mina my ancestors, they are not strong enough ukuthwalisa, mina ngiyahamba ngifuna ukwenza izinto zokuthwalisa. Yabo. So it is very important in everything that you do, mamela ihlozi lakho. Hlonipha ihlozi lakho. If you meet the wrong people, they'll introduce you to the wrong things. Mkhulu bazokufaka enkingeni, uzothola ukuthi ihlozi alisakhuluma kukhuluma lezinto le unazo. So mina I don't want those things. I am still fine, ngisa right ngehlozi lami the way it is. Unless lona lizohamba likhuluma ukuthi sengifuna 1 2 3, but ngizoqala ngibuza ukuthi the reason for that lizonceda kuphi. Don't just take everything in the name of ihlozi mkhulu. Uzogcina uthatha izinto ezis wrong, lento leyilale nawe, and then mayokulala ayinawo. You don't have to say mina namhlanje ngikhathele, izokulala. Izokulala, izokuyenza all sorts of things. So I don't know mkhulu, but mina, yeah, I don't want things that are wrong, that are not aligned to my ancestors, that are not aligned to isiphiwo sami. So mina ngiyalapha. Ubuthakathi angenzi ubuthakathi. Mhlambe if you mess with me, ngakugila. But obviously we're not saying that in everything that happens fanele ugila abantu. Umuntu mawumgila, you must also know ukuthi ngigila bani. Ngizogila umkhulu Xolani kanti umkhulu uzongila double. So part of being gifted, you're also going through a lot of spiritual attacks. As healers, there isn't a lot of unity in Kulu. It would be nice if healers are also united. You know, if I can't do something, Kulu Xolani, because when I specialize in 1 2 3, so sometimes healers, they are greedy in Kulu. They want to do everything. Hence, you can't be jack of all trades and no masters at all. You should have a specialty sakho and stick in your lane. Yes, mkhulu.
Kulo mhlaba esiphila kiwo magumbamane ngokubuka kwakho mkhulu nangomoya wenu ninoba niyakwazi ukubona into engale thina esingayiboni.
Makhosi.
Mhlambe iziphi izinto noma ingqinamba abantu njengamanje obabona ukuthi babhekene nazo okanye noma izifo kubantu wena mkhulu obalaphile noma obalapha njengamanje. Mawuthi uyabheka imajority iziphi izifo ezibahlasela abantu?
Good question, mkhulu. So people that have miscarriages and abortions, then they don't get cleansing mkhulu. Ngipha umntwana angezanga, angitholanga imbiza, ngilala nawo. Igazi lami liyashisa. Automatically igazi lakho nawe lizoshisa. And one might even get sick. I'm not only making you physically sick, but spiritually, I'm also blocking your things. Uzothola ukuthi umkhulu bekabamba imali, umkhulu bekanama business, jiki izinto zakho azihambi kahle. So for people that have miscarriages and abortions, both male and female mkhulu, it is very important ukuhlambulula. Most males, they say that I was not the one that was pregnant. The problem will not affect me. Believe you me, mkhulu, it will affect you. You are the father of that child that was supposed to live. So that is one of the problems that happen in regards to abantu bagula. Another problem, ukulala nomuntu wrong mkhulu, umuntu okulala nalo nalo kusasolala nonozi kusasolala nosibani bani, it is not good.
Yeah.
It is very important to stick to one partner. Ungangilethela generational curses from another person that you slept with, because mhlambe in that family bebathakatha.
Yes.
Jigi nawe so ufuna ukuthakatha, you want to do things that are wrong. So also mixing with the wrong people. Idlozi malixosha umkhulu Xolani, sorry, bathi asifuna umkhulu Xolani, yekela umkhulu Xolani ahambe. Idlozi can also see generational curses that happen. The other things that I've experienced emntumbeni mkhulu, kufika umuntu uyabona ukuthi lo muntu lo bamhambisa nesilwane. Okay, uyamtshela ukuthi ngibona isilwane lesi wasithola kubani bani or sithole emsebenzini. I'm just giving hypothetical examples. Siyohamba siyokhipha lesilwane ehlani, siyohlambulula, siyocata emfuleni, so that ngikhona ukubeka kahle, so that I can restore your aura, ilakhi yakho ibuye. So umkhulu Xolani ngiyamhlambulula, but umkhulu Xolani ulala nomkhulu Z. Umkhulu Z did not go ukuhlambulula. Me cleansing you, ngikubeke kahle, but you are still going back to the problem, because we are not sure if the partner came with the problem or you came with the problem. So it's also very important, mawuhamba uyohlambulula, encourage your partner as well ukuthi ahambe naye ayohlambulula, even if it is not from the same healer, so that our auras can also be restored accordingly, so that we can also recharge. Because mina ngiyahamba ngiyogeza, I'm going back to you, kanti the problem is with you. So mina ngihlezi ngitshela abantu ngithi wena mawuhlambulula, please also encourage your partner naye ahambe ayohlambulula. I'm not saying bring them to me, I'm not recruiting anyone. Let a person go where they want to go. So yeah, mkhulu, basically it's those issues of miscarriages and abortions. If you don't cleanse, it leads to problems. It's common things. Mawuhamba nesilwane, keep a silwane, but then keep going back to a partner who doesn't want to cleanse. It's also a problem. People that sleep with multiple partners can also bring problems for you, because mkhulu, idlozi liyashesha malikushiya, and for you to bring back idlozi, for you to bring back your luck, it's a lot of work. Because idlozi lifuna ukubona ukuthi no, khona manje umkhulu Xolani right, committed, ngikhiphe umkhulu Z focused. So thina abantu bemhlaba, we are in a rush to be in love, we are in a rush to have a certain person. Kanti idlozi liyabona ukuthi no, khaba umkhulu Xolani bayahlupheka, wena uthatha inhlanhla yakho yamakhosi, taking it to mkhulu Xolani, jigi wena mkhulu Xolani is now, izinto zakhe zihamba kahle, inhlanhla yakhe, things are booming, and wena you are stuck in life. You do get stuck empilweni also as a healer, mixing with the wrong people mkhulu, mixing with the wrong partners, mixing with the wrong things. Even imithi mkhulu, if you mix with imithi that idlozi lakho doesn't want, it can also lead you to problems. It can also lead you to problems. Hence ngithi, it's very important ukuhlonipha idlozi, hlonipha whatever your ancestors want you to do. Because sometimes mina ngila umkhulu Xolani, kanti umkhulu Xolani, his ancestors, they are also fighting back. They are fighting back, bazongila. Then it's gonna be back and forth. Hence ngithi, even back to senders mkhulu, not everything needs a back to sender, but there are some things that you need to initially send back to the initial person that sent it. Umkhomba ukuthi no, sengizwile ngendaba yakho, manje nami ngiyakushaya, so that ungahlaleli la ekhandeni lami anymore.
Sesisogoqa nje mkhulu, mhlambe lapha na ekuthinteni izingane zakho, bengisafuna ukubuyela lapha, ingakho ngithe kweminye imibuzo ngithi ngisazobuza vele ngiphendula. Lapha ekuthinteni izingane zakho, ubizo lakho lolokulo aluyiphazamisi izingane zakho eyifunda isikole, eyisebenzayo, angazi ukuthi izingane zakho zinganjani, kodwa aliphazamisi.
So namkhulu, I only have one child. I only have a son. He is 5 years old. So in the process of me aligning for Ihlozi, umntwana once got heavily sick, very, very sick. Masihamba siye esibhedlele, like bekashake and then wela phansi, phuma foam from his mouth. We didn't know what to do. Ne? Masifika esibhedlele bathi umntwana unama-feet. So apparently the first episode took place, the second episode took place. After the third episode, bayakutshela ukuthi we have to put umntwana under, I think they call it epilepsy treatment or something like that.
Yes.
So as long as you are running away, umntwana khona uzokhula. Some people who are running away from their gift, abantwana babo, they become problematic. Esikolweni they don't listen. Agcina baphuza utshwala, they end up smoking drugs, they end up smoking nyaupe. So for as long as you are running away from your calling, umntwana wakho naye, he or she will also suffer. But then mina umntwana mi kahle kahle, it was not indaba yama-feet. He's also spiritually gifted. Because from his father's side, the father ran away from the calling, the grandfather ran away from the calling. Khona manje umkhulu ubuya ngengane athi funa lengane lesimnikeza igama lakhe. And when we go around doing research, bathi lo baba lo naye, he was supposed to be iligedla, but he ran away from his calling. So mina umntwanami, as it is, he's gifted. Manye entumbeni uyangilandela, mangibamba lokhu uyabamba. Gcine ngimyenzela like isikhwama sesincane so that he can have something. So yes, being gifted at some point, it can also affect your children, because vele mangizohamba emhlabeni, somebody needs to take over mina mkhulu. You can imagine there's been a lot of generations that did not take the gift of calling. So Ihlozi khona manje, it comes through umntwana, likhomba umntwana ukuthi liyakhomba ukuthi this child is a very different child. Mina umntwana makahlezi nabantu, he will end up ahamba ayohlala iwani, or he will say you guys are making a lot of noise. Yabo? So umntwana that is also spiritually gifted, you can see them from a young age.
Yeah.
So in the process of you being a healer, umntwana will also uzogcina phila lempilo lo uyiphilayo mkhulu, because certain days you can't spend isikhathi nomntwana wakho. Like Saturdays you are doing your cleansings, your river cleansings, your mountain cleansings. Umntwana akatholi isikhathi. Even on days where wena ufuna ukuphumula, Ihlozi, it will send somebody. And from what I was taught is that umuntu makafikile mkhulu, awumjikisi uthi mina ngiyaphuma ngiyakha mkhulu Xolani, mina ngiyeDurban nosibane bani, uzomnceda lo muntu. Uzomnceda, itrip yakho izolinda, idate yakho izolinda. If une-date nomkhulu Xolani, mkhulu Xolani uzolinda. Sometimes mhlambe they are protecting you from umkhulu Xolani. Sometimes bayabona ukuthi mkhulu Xolani unesilwane nyana. Lesilwane lesi mawuhamba naye siyogcina silala nawe. Wena ekuseni uthi umkhulu ungishayile, kanti iphasela kaMkhulu Xolani.
How?
So yeah, in the process of you being gifted, umntwana wakhe naye uzogcina aphila lempilo mkhulu. Injalo. So I know ukuthi once aqeda isikolo naye fanele ahambe ayoyenza umsebenzi weDlozi. Let's hope it will be different for him, because amanye amadlozi, they don't even give you the opportunity to go to school. Amanye amadlozi, they don't want to work for other people.
Yeah.
They want you to strictly work for them. But I believe that everything, man, times have changed. Economy is bad. You cannot only look at umsebenzi weDlozi. Idlozi, sometimes you don't get patience. So uzogcina over greedy uthi no, because today I got a patient, I'm gonna tell them they need to do this, they need to do that. It is urgent. So mina, that's why I need to, if you are a healer, do not only look at being a healer. Go into businesses, invest into something, study further. If Ihlozi lakho liyavuma, grow yourself. Do not restrict yourself because you are a healer. I don't think Ihlozi lithi, I do not want a business. I do not want to shine. Ihlozi likes shining. It wants to stand out there. Abantu babone. So if you are a person of business or ekaya, there were certain businesses, look further, investigate into your family tree. There are some people that are privileged in Kulu. They are healers and they are also working. They did not have to baphume emsebenzini. Some people, they got fired emsebenzini because of the gift. So it's different for everyone in Kulu. It's different for everyone.
Awusuyihambile mkhulu le ndlela usumkhathi ubomvu usumdala kahle kahle. Nanku ke ikhathi zama-Easter manje abantu baye emakhaya, ingozi siyazi ukuthi nge-Easter ibhicongo nje igazi ligcwala umgaqo. So mhlawumbe ukuphawula kwakho nje kuthini njengabantu nina enikwazi ukukhosha umoya mhlawumbe ongale ebumnyameni noma ongale ekhoneni, ungathi nje uphawula kwakho bese sikigoqa.
Mina mkhulu, the first thing that I believe in is uNkulunkulu. Mina uNkulunkulu ngiyathandaza. Like I always say, we praise God, we acknowledge our ancestors. If wena usendleleni, you are going emakhayeni, cela uthandaze. Even if you don't bow down, pray inside of your heart. If you are a person that believes in ukuphahla, phahla utshela amadlozi. Sengiyahamba bogogo nabomkhulu, I'm staying in Joburg, but khona manje ngiya emakhayeni, ngiya eKZN, ngiya kuphi kuphi. Cela nihambe nami endleleni. Because accidents are going to happen in this coming weekend, mkhulu. You will even see on the news, because some people, they passed away. Imimoya yabo, they were never fetched from the road where they got into a car accident. So mina, I would advise people that drive safely. If you are a person that believes in tradition, make sure imoto yako, it has been cleansed by a healer. Labantu la uhamba nabo, buza idlozi ukuthi, do you allow me ngihambe nosibani? Sometimes ngihamba nawe mkhulu, kanti wena uneli demoni, malibona abantu, malibona imoto, it becomes jealous, then you get into a car accident. It could be a lot of things. So if you are a person that is traveling with your family, travel with your family. If you're going to travel on the bus, public transport, please pray, because on the roads, there is a lot of scary things that happen. Sometimes uhambe endleleni ebusuku uyalahleka, you are on the road to Joburg, but jigi, you are now on the road to Pulukani. You don't know how, because of lemimoya that are on the roads that were never fetched. They are lonely, Anisho. The minute ibona somebody, it now wants to intervene and distract you. So mina, I can say, tandaza, phahla, be safe. Mawufika lapho, also pray ukubonga ukuthi sengihambile indlela ngifikile. Bonga idlozi mawufika emakhayeni. If you can, do not travel in the middle of the hours of 12 and 3. You know, especially if you are spiritually gifted, you are still running away from your gift or calling. You're going to see things endleleni. You are going to see things. So abantu bathandaze mkhulu and then baphahle konke kuzohamba kahle.
Uzobuza umbukelo Echo Point ukuthi eish manje umkhulu utholakala kanjani, ngoba siyayizwa inkulumo ayishoyo impela iyehla ngomthambo wegazi. Siyafisa kodwa ukuthi simthole enkundleni zokuxhumana, siyafisa ukumfonela, siyafisa ukumWhatsApp. Utholakala kanjani?
So I am on Facebook. On Facebook, my name is Mkhulu Z. I am on TikTok. I am Z the Healer. My phone number is 076 173 0215. Just a disclaimer, please do not call me. You can kindly send a WhatsApp. I will get back to you. Do not send me a voice note, umkazela, ubuza, ini. Do not do that. Send a message. It has a automated message that will give you informations and details. Ngiyabonga mkhulu.
Umkhulu kahle uyacacisa ukuthi usawubona wakhe kahambe nenkulumo zona ngakho ungambuza ukuthi ulale kanjani, uyaphila, lokho kuyazi ukuthi uyaphila. So mkhulu ngicathi ama details yakho aclean, right, mabekufuna bazokuthola kulo manamba na kulo social media leyo.
Makhosi mkhulu.
Ngoba siyaqinisekisa nathi Echo Point TV ukuthi mawukuthi umkhulu uyamfonela uwenze sure ukuthi umkhulu, ngoba kunabantu wena mkhulu abaskema abantu.
Correct, bakhona vele mkhulu.
Sike saqondana nakho impela kakhulu. Khona omunye umama adefikile la studio washiya ama details akhe namba, kodwa uthe mayebethe ama client akhe amfonela angathola yena, athola omunye umuntu, ungathi abanye bese beyihambisela imali. Manje kube kabi, kube ngathi nina ni scam, kanti thina sisebenzi ngamanga, sisebenza ngeqiniso Echo Point TV. So nawe ngenzela ukuthi mawukuthi lama details ibona right bekuthole ngqo, futhi ne video call ngathi iyasiza mkhulu ukuthi umuntu abe le show
to also identify if it's the correct person.
Yes.
Yeah, that is correct mkhulu. So some people will eventually, I once got a guy who sent me a WhatsApp message ngathi emakhosini. He's like, do you mind I call you so that I can really see it's you? Then I was like, why? He's like, no, I just want to make sure. So there are scammers out there. Umuntu uyahamba avule account ngegama lakho, amoshe ngegama lakho. So if and when mhlambe you don't trust the healer, just explain to them in a polite manner. Bengisacela ukufona ukubona ukuthi is this the correct person? I don't think a healer will have a problem with it. But if mhlambe uyazama ukufona mkhulu, there is no response, just share umlayezo ukuthi I tried calling 123, please get back to me when you have time. Then I don't see a problem.
Working hours.
So mina, I work Mondays to Fridays. Saturdays, it is cleansings, river cleansings, mountain cleansings. Sundays, it is time for me to rest and connect nempilo yami. So any day between Monday to Friday from 9 until 4.
Thokoza siyabonga kakhulu kakhulu ukuthi sokubuyisa nala futhi studio ngoba sisibonile ukuthi abantu bayakuthanda bakulandela bakholelwa kuwe. Siyathembisa ukuthi solo sitame sikubuyisa futhi uzobanika ukudla kwendlela.
Makhosi mkhulu, ngiyabonga mkhulu Xolani.
Thokoza mkhulu.
Thokoza.
Hey, besihleli ke namhlanje ke nomkhulu ke uZ the healer namhlanje ke la studio ke nibonile ke nizwile futhi ukuthi ke ushaya kuphi lapha kangazikhona uyasho futhi uchakazi ngoba phela alikho isoko lingenasici kodwa yena njengomsebenzi wakhe akawaziyo uyaziqhatha futhi uyazethemba ngomsebenzi wakhe. Wona mbukelo eCooperative TV uqhubeke uhlale nathi ke la studio ke uyazi ukuthi sihlaziwaletha nje amanqaphu nenhlelo nenkulumo ezinhle ihambisa igazi. Sesiphathe kahle kulama holiday eEaster njengoba ke nazi ukuthi ingozi ziningi la emgaqweni sihamba siyobona emakhaya siyovasha nasemcimbini ngiqhuqumezela ukuthi ke nichele emcimbini before uqala umcimbi uyawuchela umcimbi ukuthi inkundla yakho la kuzoba khona nesigameko somcimbi ukuthi kungaliwa kungabulalana ngaqhuma ibhamu uyaqinisa nomcimbi yonke into iyaqiniso. Mina ke ngungixolane kumfambathi uShandi Sontshikazi Umthiya ushoti uMantinda siqhamsodidla emadlabana kwaJesu icelo lomthetho yakho dakela ucathu sengiyaphuma ke sobonana ngeepisode elandelayo.